Hey everyone, Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood here, and I've got a quick tip for the day here. So we have people that's come into work for us for our contracting company, and you're training them. They don't understand even what a staining brush is and how it's different than a paintbrush and so forth. But one of the things that always gets everybody, and even some experienced people that don't know or haven't used them before, what this clip is. This metal clip that comes with a staining brush. Here we have a Wooster 5.5 inch brush. It's kind of nice, it's threaded. And what happens is, because it's about 5.5 inches, it'll cover a plank, a deck plank. So if you were to put a broom handle in there, you'd be good to go too. So what is this metal clip for that comes with it? Most people don't know. They take it, they throw it away. They don't know, what the hell was that for? Anyway, what happens is, you put that back in, put your handle back on. You can see it there. There's a little bit of space, and you wonder what it's for. Well, when you're working throughout the day, you want to grab a glass of water, take a break, get something to eat, what do you do with your brush? You're just going to lay it on the ground, you're going to lay it wherever. That's what the clip's for. There's a 5-gallon pail. If we're using something large, this happens to be our product, our Deck Restoration Plus Restore, which we use for a lot of cleanings. But this just literally goes right on the clips on the outside of the pail, and voila, it drains off into the bucket. That's what the clip is for. Now, using a 5-gallon bucket, you're using a smaller container, same thing. Just clips onto the end, and there you go. It drains and drips into the pail while you're getting your glass of water or whatever you're doing, talking to a customer, taking a break for yourself, whatever. What are those metal clips for? Now you know. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. That's your tip for the day. Thanks for watching the video.